Hi, this is Tim with Friendship RV. This is a 2023 Primetime Tracer Ultralight 31 VHD, a bunkhouse unit, 2 slides, pass-through storage, black tank flush, power stabilizers front and rear. This is our living room slide, our bunk room slide. We're prepped for an observation camera. Camp kitchen with a faucet, 2-burner cooktop, and mini fridge. Power awning with LED light strip. This has the thermal package, so you can extend your camping season by just a little bit. It's not so windy in here. Pull-out couch, U-shaped dinette, 12-volt Everchill refrigerator, lots of room in here, 3-burner cooktop range oven, our microwave, farm sink, sound bar, flat screen TV, Furrion air conditioner furnace, our front bedroom, this is our shower area. Lots of room here. And our bunk room. Nice area. Its own door. Room for TV. And some more bunks. Lots of storage underneath also. This is Tim with Friendship RV. Thank you.